So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get some custom fonts to work with in Tinkercad, because the ones they provide you are pretty basic. So we're going to go into a website called dafont.com. There's a lot of other websites similar to this, but this is just the one that I happen to like to use. You've got a whole bunch of different categories up the top, or you can just kind of scroll your way through until you find something you like. If you click all new fonts, it'll expand out this list. I'm just going to use this one here as an example, and I'm just going to type in example text, and I'm going to get a large preview, and then I'm going to simply use my snipping tool to snip a screenshot of that text, which I'm then just going to save somewhere on my desktop. Name, example text. Okay, so I can load that JPEG into Tinkercad. If I go to import, SVG is the file type that I'm looking for. So if I go to this website here, png to svg.com, I can choose a screenshot I've just newly saved, and then I can just go for simple one color, generate, and then I can download, and that should have downloaded a copy to my desktop, which I can now open up. And I'm going to change the size here to 100mm, and it will automatically adjust the length. And you can see that I've now got some text to work with.